You have great content. And you know who's making money off it? Other companies. Companies who stream your videos, publish your words, and advertise to your audience.
We built Treefort to give you back control. Stop letting the algorithm take your lunch money. Don't feed off big tech scraps. With Treefort, you own your audience top to bottom. Give them all your content in one place, charge what you want, and curate a premium experience they'll love. Treefort is a no-code app-building platform where you launch your own branded media app. Host every kind of content under the sun, from videos and audiobooks to ebooks and music. Launching is ridiculously easy.
Here's how it works. 1. Upload your content. You can bulk import, drag and drop, and organize everything just how you like.
2. Brand your app. Customize the colors, logo, and layout to fit your brand, and watch it all come together in our live preview.
3. Monetize. Subscriptions, single purchases, donations, or just give it away for free. You control how you make money. 4. Launch. Once everything is in place, the Treefort team will get your app through review and push it live.
Now, a lot of our customers wanted us to stop there. It's too good, they kept saying. But we couldn't help ourselves. In addition to full control and a beautiful app, on Treefort you can understand your audience with detailed analytics, communicate directly with every user, automate anything with our API, and talk with a real person anytime you need it.
We could keep going, but honestly, you should just try it yourself. Treefort, you own the content, own your audience too.